On the water, on the slopes, or under the stars. Fiberglass. It's everywhere. And AW Lake Flow Meters are helping with the process of producing the panels of that do-all material. A manufacturer of fiberglass panels, much like those you see on camping trailers and RVs, reached out to AW Lake looking for a flow monitoring system to verify that the accurate amounts of fiberglass resin was being dispensed during the fabrication of those panels. AW Lake worked closely with the OEM, supplying TRICOR Coriolis meters to monitor the amount of the 4 resin colors and another meter that was being used to monitor the catalyst. Since the TRICOR Coriolis meters have no internal mechanical components that interact with the materials, they will continue to operate maintenance-free for years, ensuring continuous operations and reduced maintenance costs. This is just another example of how AW Lake's flow monitors, especially our TRICOR Coriolis meters, continue to rise to the level of excellence that's expected from OEMs. To learn more about TRICOR Coriolis Flow Meters or any AW Lake meters and sensors, visit our website at awlake.com and get in contact with an expert member of our sales team today.